What's up, guys? It's day 3. Trying to get a fishing video for you. What's up, y'all? We're at the new pond. The fishing's been getting better every single. At one of my favorite spots, so hopefully it turns out. Chasing some smallies, so we'll see how it goes. Have a speed crawl tied on right now, so I'll probably just be flipping for the most part, but we'll give it a try and see how it goes for sure. So rock bass, first fish of the day. I honestly wasn't too ready for it because about ripped the rod out of my hands. Didn't get skunked, so that's cool. Not the right species, but it works. Oh, right at the bank. That's a bummer. I figured there was going to be a fish in there. There normally is. I'm sure he ain't the only one in there either. Was a smallmouth though, so that's the worst part about it, but I'm just happy I'm getting some bites today. Don't know how he came off. He should have stayed pinned, but whatever. I'm sure I'll catch up to a couple other ones. Well, guys, only 3 rock bass so far. Honestly, I'm not gonna complain about it quite yet. I'll take those 3 rock bass as of right now. 1 missed smallmouth, The longer I go, the more I get upset about it, but what can you do? There we go, guys. Finally. Chill out, buddy. Not the largest smallie ever, but it's what we're here for. Release. Be nice if I could catch about 5 more of those, but that's what I'm here for, so that's cool. No. Oh, that wasn't the biggest smallie, but it sucks losing them like that. He hit that right at the bank. Here's a better one. I just hope it stays on. Oh, there we go. It's exactly what we're here for. There we go. Beautiful. Release. Well, there we go, guys. That's what we came here for. Probably about 2.5 pounder, 3 pounder. I'd imagine there should be one up over in this corner over here. Here's another good one. Get release on her. There we go. Number 3. I think 3 rock bass, 3 smallmouth. Just got a short little bit left here. It's getting dark, so I might just do it, but got a few minutes still, so we'll see if I can't catch up to another one here. So well guys, that's gonna do it for today. Ended up with 6 fish, 3 smallmouth, 3 rock bass. Missed a couple. Didn't capitalize on a couple of them, so honestly, in the long run, wasn't a terrible day. Can't be upset about it. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.